Today's assembly deals with the topic Clean Diwali, Green Diwali.
We know, while celebrating festivals, we should keep in mind the pivotal importance of environmental sustainability.
दीपावली में हम लोग एक दिया अपने अंदर भी जलाएंगे, अपने मन में भी जलाएंगे, जिससे हमारे अंदर, हमारे मन में ज्ञान का प्रकाश फैले और हम सबके जीवन में मिठाई की तरह मिठास बांटे। यही दीपावली का मतलब है। तो मेरे तरफ से आपको दीपावली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। शुभ दीपावली।
दीपों का त्योहार सखीरी, दीपों का त्योहार, मंगलमय त्योहार सखीरी, मंगलमय त्योहार।
While you're burning crackers, keep a bucket of sand and water nearby and burn crackers under the supervision of an elder.
No loud bangs to shatter the tranquil night, just pure laughter, soft and light. The ground adorned in eco-friendly hues, a lively symphony with no harsh cues.
तमसो माँ ज्योतिर्गमय, तमस अर्थात अंधकार और ज्योति अर्थात प्रकाश। तो इस विद्या के मंदिर से जो हम ज्ञान रूपी प्रकाश ले रहे हैं, यही हमें दुनिया में अंधकार को दूर करने के लिए इसका प्रयोग करना है। ऐसा हम प्रण लें आज यहाँ पर और इस बात को ध्यान रखें कि जलाओ दिए पर रहे ध्यान इतना, अंधेरा धरा पर कहीं रह न जाए।
Let us now take a pledge to donate to the needy and lighten up their faces this Diwali instead of wasting it on crackers to momentarily light up the dark firmament. I pledge to celebrate Diwali, safely, avoiding harmful practices, and prioritizing the well-being of people, animals, and the environment.
Diwali is a festival where we rise above the self. And that is the biggest ignorance that we all have. The moment we say we know everything, we have blocked everything for ourselves. We blocked all knowledge. So this is a day when we think we rise above the self. You've already got the message. Think about the environment. Even candles, children, they pollute the environment, but diyas don't. And when you light diyas, no doubt, when you light candles, you support a lot of people for whom income is generated. Before each cracker you light, just think, how much pollution is this going to cause? Do I want to be a part of this or not? But you have to choose your decision so knowledgeably that it does not harm anything or anyone around you. A very safe, green and shubh Diwali to all of you.